Danby. Roberts a'i lygad ar y bêl. Hughes ymlaen at Callum Morris. Morris! Hanner cyfle i'r ymwelwyr. Pasio celfydd gan Cei Connah, yr ergyd gan Callum Morris. Yr arbediad gan Alex Ramsey. Williams. Fe'n ysgri Darren Thomas. Thomas o sodliad hyfryd. O'r ergyd fymryn heibio gan Gareth Evans. Mae hwnna di mynd allan am gic gornel. Sodliad hyfryd gan Darren Thomas. Ac yna Gareth Evans yn ei chrymanu hi. Thomas ar ei holi. Thomas, pwysar Disney. Danby. Camgymeriad yn y gefn gan y golwr, tafliad i Gynghrair. Tafliad cael ei chymryd yn sydyn. Dyma Darren Thomas. Thomas a draws wyneb y gol. Danby yn ddiogel. Y tu ôl iddi. Gic yn cael ei chymryd yn sydyn. Dyma Breeze, mae'n rhydd yn y cwrt. Oedd na lawio gan James Owen. Nag oedd wir, medde dyfarnwr. Harrison codi'r bêl i gyfeiriad Owens. Mae Wignall, Morris, Callum Morris. Morris! Arbediad rhagorol gan Ramsey. Cyfle clir i Callum Morris, capten Cei Connah. Yr arbediad yn un gwych gan Alex Ramsey. Gareth Evans, dim trosedd gan James Owen. Cyffyrddiad bach at Lawrence Wilson. Wilson, rhwydd hyn, ti'n redig i fyny. Cwr Cosby! Oh! Chwip o ergyd gan Lawrence Wilson. Ond y bêl yn crymanu i ffwrdd o'r gol. Danby. Wan Wignall mewn traffath y fan hyn. Mi giciodd y bêl. Wel, mi oedd yn ddangos fod y sôn gicio hi at y dyfarnwr. Ail gerdyn melyn, cerdyn coch i Ryan Wignall. Wel, ynfyd gan yr asgellwr. Dyma Wild y cyffyrddiad. I lwybr Morris. A'r arbediad yn un rhagorol gan Alex Ramsey. Wild yn rhyddhau Callum Morris. Mi oedd hwnna ar y targed. Arbediad da gan Ramsey. Sean, your assessment of that match?
By the end, by the last 7 or 8 minutes, probably a little bit of relief, to be fair. I don't think the red card for them has helped us. You know, I'll be honest, I think we maybe got ourselves in a little bit of a panic. You know, credit to Connah's key. I think they were hemmed in our half, to be fair, second half. But we said at the start, you know, the first thing that we said was we needed a reaction after last week. And by doing that, you've got to do ugly things. You've got to get around second and third balls against them. You've got to try and dominate your defensive box. And I thought to them, and I thought we'd done that very well tonight. They've had the chances. I think Callum Morris has gone through twice. But, you know, credit to Rambo. You know, he's a good quality keeper, and, you know, that's what he's there for. There's some massive shifts that have gone on out there tonight. Some sore bodies as well. We've had a few lads pull up a little bit, but it's what you're going to get against Connah's Key. It's absolutely ruthless. But, you know, a point and a clean sheet, and, you know, it's 4 points off Connah's Key this year. And, you know, given that at the start of the year, you know, I would have snapped anyone's hand off.
2 points dropped. You know, they've gained a point, we've dropped 2. Because, you know, we've dominated the whole game from the first minute of the game until the end. And up until the final third, I thought we were exceptional, very similar to TNS last week. I thought we kept the ball well. I thought we created opportunities to get in behind. We created overloads. But, you know, our decision making and our quality in the final third was really, really poor tonight. There were so many players that played so well. They did so well until the final third. And then, you know, as a coach, as a manager, you can take your players with the way you play and whatever way you go about until that final chance, and then it's up to the quality of the players, you know, and they do have that quality, but tonight it was lacking. So I found that frustrating. Pleasing, clean sheet, and the fact that, you know, we can come to a place where these are tough. Yeah, they got beat last week, you know, so they were a wounded animal and they would have been at it tonight, but listen, for us to come away without scoring a goal tonight with the way we played up until the final third and the way we dominated possession is really, really frustrating.